to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it.
Hello Philippines and good morning. Today we are here to discuss about not just any article. I mean, we're not going to talk about the strategy so that you get wrong and stuff. But today we are going to talk about drugs. In this case, the drugs that pop out of your minds every time someone says drugs. Illegal drugs. So before we actually start a question and answer for the audience, can I just ask, can the panelists share some of their ideas on how this type of drug influences our youth?
Well, before we actually talk about drugs, we will say what kind of drugs we are taking. Drugs like the local sensitive are the good ones. But not every time. And then there are those who are used for entertainment purposes.
A lot, actually. These drugs can destroy almost everything in the brain. Most people ignore the fact because when they think smoking pot is good, they sure what the smoke is. If you smoke weed. When I was a kid, I was playing at a PC rental place, and the two kids that are sitting next to me are talking about smoking. They literally said that life would be awesome if you just smoke weed every day.
Music right now is scary because this generation, children listen to about sex and drugs, and Snoop Dogg and Wiz Khalifa are the good examples of it. So they are being influenced by the song itself.
So there we have it. Now we move on to question and answer from the audience. Anyone of you would like to say or ask any question for our panel? Yes, please.
So that's a very good question. But we all know that marijuana, a legal drug at some point, and also a medical drug at some point. The US actually legalized marijuana so that it can be used for medical treatment. But now I don't disagree with this, but I do fear when we legalize marijuana here in the Philippines, and we don't have the right people to control people, then we have a problem.
Maybe if we can get the official skills and as a treatment that you can only get from your hospital rather than buying at the drugstore, then maybe we can.
The thing that I feel is this kind of drug they have been is also about destructive consequences. Consider this. So too much people in a certain area and it's already overpopulated, you kill them right away. No, even if it's big or small problem or even that this percentage is legal in these terms, you must use the way that give us absolute advantage. Sure, glaucoma is good but your brain is not functional, so what's the point?